the good people at Human Touch have sent us another really amazing device. This time we're checking out their Reflex Pop-Up Foot Massager. It has 3 auto wellness programs built into it. It's got kneading massage, underfoot reflexology. I don't know exactly what that means, but I'm really excited about this. Let's open this up and check out what comes inside. Okay, first things first, very well protected. A lot of foam cushions and padding. Silky packet. Make sure you take care of this properly. Don't let pets or animals eat them. Very dangerous. And then another silky packet. So inside one of the feet, we actually have the power cord. Plugs in right here. And then another really cool feature, remote. And it's got a slot to sit in. Gotta love that. And then this thing opens up with this push of this button here. That allows you to stick your feet in, and then you can close it down on it. You've got a protective film here on the indicator that allows you to keep that from scratching and chipping. And you got heat, rollers, intensity, massage, play. Again, that controller just slides right in there. You can also activate all those same options from the remote, including the power on and off. You do have the little instructional guide there, but I imagine it's pretty much about registering care and warranty, which is nice. Oopsie. There you go. So we're going to plug this in and see how this feels real quick, and then we'll show you how it looks, and then we'll be right back. That is a really, really good massage. I will say it's very hard to close the lid when your feet are inside it, which is not great, especially if you've got bigger feet like me, but still the compression is really good. The rolling balls, as well as almost like a sea-like wave motion on the feet combined, is really comfortable and really good source of massage for your feet. Good way to reinvigorate those feet after a really long day of walking or standing on them. Definitely a very good massage. Hopefully you guys find this interesting. Hopefully you guys pick up one for yourself, and we will see you guys next time.